My sister is in the house. She's so supportive of our ministry. Anytime that I'm anywhere in Virginia, she makes her way to come and share with us. And I just give God praise. My sister, we were just with them a couple of weeks ago. I give God praise for the woman of God, the missionary that they're good. Come on, let's go. Come on, y'all can do better than that. Thank God for Deacon Marshall Griffin. Superintendent Marshall Griffin. Give God praise for him and what he is doing. Are y'all going to let me preach just a little bit tonight? I promise you I won't hold you long, but just let me preach just a little bit. Mark chapter 3, verse 5. And when he had looked round about them with anger, being grieved for the hardness of their hearts, he saith unto the man, stretch forth thine hand. And he stretched it out. And his hand was restored whole as the other. Did y'all get that? Let me read it again for the people in the back. And when he had looked round about on them with anger, he got mad about it. Being grieved for the hardness of their hearts, he saith unto the man, stretch forth thine hand. And he stretched it out. And his hand was restored. Whole as the other one was. Look at somebody and say, it's time for restoration.
It's time for restoration.
Father, I thank you for your word. I thank you for what you're going to do tonight. Now, God, I pray for the next few fleeting moments that you would do your servant a favor. Siege my mind, give clarity of thought, my lips, precision of expression. Bend my will to conform to your will so that your people might be edified, your name glorified, and let the devil be horrified. Father, I've never preached without you before, and I don't want to practice today. So I pray now that you bind the hand of the enemy. Keep my mind clear and let me talk. May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be made accepted in your sight, O Lord, my strength and my redeemer. In the matchless, immeasurable name of Jesus the Christ, the Christos, the anointed one, we pray. Everybody say, thank God.
Thank God.
Amen. Before you take your seats, I want you to shake 3 people's hand like you won $25 million in the mega ball and tell them by the time you get it back, it's going to be better.
By the time you get back, it's going to be better.
I want you to look at somebody on your road, tell them this is the better road. 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 It has been a wonderful revival thus far. Amen. I thank God for the opportunity to share the word of the Lord to Zion Restoration. And I am coming tonight with a clarion declaration that where you are right now is not going to be where you will be for the rest of your life. No matter what has happened and no matter the severity of what has happened, God sent me all the way from Knightdale, North Carolina, by way of Zebulon, North Carolina, down 95 to let somebody know that things are about to get better for you. And when I prophesy to my church like that, they get real excited. So y'all act like y'all my church and clap your hands because things are getting ready to get better. Isn't it amazing that after everything that you've gone through in life, you finally found a place called better? Yes, better is not just a happening, but better is a season. It is a state of mind. It is when God accosts your life in such a manner that the devil has no choice but to take his hands off of whatever he's attacking. Tell your neighbor, say things will get better for you.
Things are getting better for you.
No matter your circumstance or the intensity of it, God is willing and He is able to make your situation better. I want to ask you a question. Does anybody in here have anything that they want to become better in your life?
Yeah.
Don't fool me now. I wish you would look at somebody and say, that's me. He talking about me right now. That preacher came with me in mind. Things are getting better. Satan is at work in this room right now, trying to convince you that whatever your current situation is, they're going to be in your life for the rest of your life. I know you can hear that preacher. I know you can hear him whispering. I know you hear that preaching and talking about things are getting better, but don't worry about it, because after the benediction, whatever you left at the altar, I'm going to put it back in your car. Come on. Well, child of God, He's right. After we have all shouted and cried and rolled up and down the aisle, yes, the situation that you came here with will be waiting for you, but can I tell you, you make a decision whether or not you're going to take it with you. Look at your neighbor and say, you make a decision whether you're going to take it with you. Another malicious lie Satan tells us is that our problems are exclusively ours. Y'all not going to leave me by myself, are you? But let me, not tonight, but let me be the first to inform you that everybody is dealing with something. I don't care what kind of outfit you have on. I don't care what kind of shoes you wore. I don't care what kind of makeup you might have plucked your eyelashes or put them on tonight. No matter what is going on. Listen, everybody's got problems. Everybody's got something that they have to deal with. If you believe I'm telling the truth, I dare you to shout. That's me too, people.
That's me too, preacher.
Everybody's dealing. You might have come here with your glad rags on and your church face, accompanied with your best, I'm blessed and highly flavored response. But when we peel back the layers of your facade and get down to the crux of who you really are, the truth is, I am dealing with some trauma in my life. All right now. So your neighbor say, I'm dealing with some drama in my life. It trips me out. It trips me out how church folk try their best to convince sinners and struggling saints that they have it all together. Won't you look at somebody and say, stop lying in church. It's almost delusional. Even Ray Charles can see that you're not all right.
Come on.
I remember one time my cousin came and he spent the summer with us. We lived in the country of Wilson County by a place called Saratoga. And he came to spend the summer with us. And while he was staying with us, he jumped off the bunk bed and ran smack dab into the dresser. Now, he didn't just run into the dresser, but the corner of the dresser, his pinky toe. Come on, talk to me. Somebody done felt that before. It divided the pinky toe between the other toe, and it just stuck this toe. And he was just walking around the room. And I said, man, you all right? He said, yeah, I'm all right. He was lying. He was lying to me. He wasn't all right. He was in pain. And that's how we do in church. We come in here with our glad face painted on, trying to convince folk that's going to talk about us anyhow that we got it all together. But sometimes you got to come to the altar where you can make alterations and say, Lord, everything is not right in my life. I got some drama going on. Why don't you slap somebody high five and say, I got some drama going on? How do you expect to ever get better if you continue to cover up stuff just to convince others who are dealing with just as much as you're dealing with, that you're blessed and you cannot be covered? You cannot be covered. I want to let somebody know that everybody in here has a place in their life that I call withered. Look at your neighbor, say, we got some withered folk in here. Come on, tell somebody else, we got some withered folk in here. In verse 1 of chapter 3, let me go ahead and rush on since y'all tired of me already. In verse 1.